This video is about parameters in Aquarius web portal, with particular attention to the default parameter on the map view, and grouping and filtering. So we'll just open up a web portal here. And by default, when you open web portal, you will see the parameters as the drop-down list here. Now if you don't have a parameter selected at all, you'll see all locations. In this case we have 453. But when you check a rainfall here, and you from the drop-down menu, you will see it associated with a legend that you would have set up. In this case I've got rainfall set up with a 0 to 80 mil. Now parameters are grouped by unit group by default as well, and there is the list of everything that we have data sets for by default. So let's just go over and check out parameters in the back end. So all the parameters that we have synchronized from the Aquarius time series database are listed here. In this case there are 202. We can set up parameter range definitions, but the key thing I want to show you here in the back end is about the global settings. So you can just do a filter on the setting group for parameters, click filter, and you can organize this whatever way you want. So what I want to point out here are three key things there. The default parameter that you want to show is when you first load WebPortal, what you will see. So I'm just going to show rainfall. So you can just type in rainfall there. It's just a CSV list, so comma separated values, and just put in the key one that you want to see. Now if you want to filter a list, so you don't want to see all the different parameters, you could actually just do a whole comma separated list here of say rainfall, stream height, pH, just put that whole list in there, and that's the only thing you'll see on the drop down menu. Okay, I'm going to leave it blank so it shows all my parameters. And now the other common change I would make is grouping. Don't really need the unit groups showing up there, so I'm going to change that to false. Okay, so I've changed the default, I've left the filter there, and I've changed the grouping. So let's see how that has made the change. Okay, so the unit groups will go away, and I should just have a default parameter of rainfall come up. So let's just refresh that. There's our rainfall coming up as the default, and all of the unit groups are gone, so it'll just alphabetically sort there now. Okay, so you can have a look at all the other different global settings and find out more in the help manual as you wish. Okay, thank you very much.